5 years from today, most people watching this will be in the exact same financial position they are right now. The same paycheck to paycheck stress, the same repetitive routines, and the exact same feeling that wealth is a luxury reserved for someone else. And it usually has nothing to do with a lack of hard work or intelligence. It happens because people spend their next 5 years doing the wrong things. Here is the reality. A 5-year runway is entirely sufficient to alter your financial trajectory. You will not become a billionaire, and you will not buy a private jet, but you can build the kind of financial momentum that dictates the rest of your life. But open YouTube for 5 minutes, and you will find people chasing all the wrong strategies: secret crypto coins, day trading systems, passive income hacks, and overnight success stories. If building wealth through these highly marketed shortcuts was actually that easy, everyone would already be rich. The truth is much less exciting and significantly more effective. Real wealth requires a handful of boring decisions repeated consistently for years. Master those specific decisions, and your next 5 years will look completely different from your last. Let's start by addressing the first major misconception, the idea that extreme frugality and saving money creates wealth. By itself, it doesn't. This chart tracks how that plays out. Let's say you are disciplined enough to save $300 every single month. That is a great habit. But over 5 years, that adds up to exactly $18,000. Even with decent investment returns added to that total, you are nowhere near financial freedom. In your first 5 years, your primary wealth-building tool is your income. Think of your income as the engine and investing as the fuel. A tiny engine running on great fuel still moves slowly. Look at this side-by-side comparison. Person A earns $3,000 a month and saves 10%. That yields a $300 output. Person B spends 2 years learning valuable skills, negotiates raises, and now earns $5,000 a month. Retaining the exact same saving percentage, their output is now $500 monthly. They applied the exact same discipline, resulting in vastly different amounts of investable cash. Actively increasing your value in the marketplace is the mandatory step that makes your saving and investing mathematically viable. However, there is a trap waiting for almost everyone who starts making more money. It is a silent wealth killer known as lifestyle inflation. You finally get a raise, your income jumps, and instantly your expenses escalate to match it. You rent a better apartment, lease a newer car, and take more expensive vacations. Your salary is higher, but your bank account stays exactly the same. This happens because human beings adapt incredibly fast. The luxury you desperately wanted a few months ago quickly feels entirely normal, and your brain instantly prompts you for the next upgrade, and then the next. To defend against this, wealthy people follow a strict mechanical rule. Every time their income increases, they automatically divert a predetermined portion of that new money directly into investments, before they even have a chance to spend it. This flowchart demonstrates the impact of that rule. Imagine your income goes up by $1,000 a month. Instead of spending all of it, you divide it. $500 funds your lifestyle upgrades, and the remaining $500 goes straight into future investments. You get to enjoy your success without sabotaging your future. Defending against that silent creep is the only way a rising income actually translates into retained wealth. Once you've increased your income and protected your margins from lifestyle inflation, your accumulated money finally has a crucial job to do. It must be deployed as an active workforce. Historically, broad stock market investing is one of the most reliable wealth-building tools ever created. It requires no excitement, relying entirely on patience and a consistency that ignores short-term noise. Investing $1,000 monthly for 5 years turns $60,000 of principal into $70,000. Unimpressive? Watch past year 5. The initial accumulation ends and exponential compounding takes over. Eventually, returns cross over, generating more annually than your paycheck, becoming an autonomous wealth machine. Most people quit before this stage. They get impatient, chasing the next miracle strategy. The actual millionaire next door isn't driving a flashy car or posting crypto gains. They quietly repeat a disciplined process year after year. 5 years from now, you are going to arrive somewhere financially. That is an absolute guarantee. If you want true financial freedom, abandon the shortcuts. Start building intentional momentum today.